Welcome back to our channel. On the east coast of Australia, an electric vehicle startup is transforming semi-trailer trucks into electric heavy haulers that a network of quick-change batteries will fuel. The bold plan to convert the nation's 100,000 articulated semi-trailer and B-double vehicles to a renewable electric platform has the potential to significantly cut airborne diesel particles and wipe out considerable carbon emissions. Let's dig into this electric semi that swaps its batteries. The electrifying fleet solution. An electric truck is a battery-operated electric vehicle intended to deliver goods, carry specialized payloads, or carry out other practical tasks. For more than a century, lead-acid batteries have powered electric trucks in specialized uses like milk floats, pushback tugs, and forklifts. However, the rapid development of lighter, more energy-dense battery chemistries in the 21st century has expanded the range of applications for electric propulsion to trucks in many more roles. Comparatively speaking to internal combustion vehicles, electric trucks produce less noise and pollution. The cost of owning and operating electric trucks is significantly lower than that of their predecessors due to the great efficiency and low component counts of electric powertrains, the lack of fuel combustion when idling, and the quiet and effective acceleration. By 2020, just a few businesses in California will be using electric semi-trucks for commercial purposes, including Anheuser-Busch, GSC Logistics, Golden State Express, Penske, and NFI, all of which use the Freightliner e-Cascadia semi-tractor. These vehicles can be used on regional routes. Their range, in the case of the BYD 8TT, 124 miles at full load and 167 miles at half load, does not restrict them to use in seaports or drayage activities. By transporting cargo from the Port of Oakland across the Altamont Pass to Tracy, California and back, GSC Logistics made this point. The truck's battery was still 40% charged when we got back. With Janus Electric's groundbreaking technology, Australia's road transport fleet can be powered entirely by renewable energy sources while utilizing the nation's existing electrical infrastructure. Electric heavy vehicles are powered by Janus Electric's groundbreaking interchangeable batteries, which can be replaced in 4 minutes at a Janus Electric charge and change station run on renewable energy sources like solar or wind. Dedicated to giving Australian road transport companies a smarter, safer, and cleaner alternative, professional engineers and transport operators created the groundbreaking battery technology used by Janus Electric, positioning the company at the forefront of the world's next phase of road transport. With the electrification of road transport fleets, the practical next-generation battery technology offers a zero-carbon option for the first time in history. A battery in the Janus Electric technology can be recharged using renewable energy sources like solar, wind, and hydro. This increases the need for renewable energy throughout the day, which improves the use of the national electrical system and provides utility companies and governments with a sizable return on their investments in green infrastructure. The batteries may be charged in 4 minutes at any Janus Electric charge and change station because they are not fastened to the truck permanently. Janus Electric technology has enabled the impossible. Fleets that already exist can be upgraded to the Janus system. Any current prime mover can be transformed into an electric car using Janus. The requirement for capital investment in entirely new vehicles is greatly diminished, replacing outdated equipment or components that were not there during construction. Existing diesel engine trucks from Janus Trucks are converted to new electric motors at a cost comparable to rebuilding an existing diesel engine. The expected capital cost savings from switching existing diesel-powered trucks to Janus Electric technology. The daily monitoring of operating expenses and margins is at the heart of every transport and logistics company. Fleet electrification will drastically reduce current running expenses and increase profits throughout a vehicle's lifetime. Over the course of the vehicle's lifetime, maintenance and operating costs will be reduced by up to 60% thanks to the Janus Fleet electrification solution. Since there are no oil changes, air filters, or fuel filters with electrification, the lifespan of brakes and tires is also significantly increased. Fleets also cost less to operate because electricity costs less per kilometer than diesel. Transport businesses using outdated diesel fleets will fall behind operators of new energy and money-saving electrical fleets if they do not adapt to new electrified fleets. They predict that 50% of the Australian road transport fleet will be electric by 2030. Interchangeable parts. The Janus battery technology is revolutionary because it frees the fleet owner from being tied to a particular battery cell technology. The Janus electric battery has been designed to be fully upgradable with new upcoming battery technology when new technology is produced. They predict that the lifespan of the present Janus battery cell technology will be up to 8 years. The Janus system is completely upgradable with new battery technology when lithium cells are no longer the current favored technology. The elimination of the diesel engine and complete automation of the gearbox has a favorable impact on the health of the driver and other road users by eliminating the vibration, noise, and hazardous emissions from the operating environment. A committed team of Australian developers has worked on the original proof of concept, testing, building, and development. The company have joined Cube and Oz Minerals with the Vision Electric Alliance, in addition to the Janus fleet, where the Janus technology will be tested in an ambitious 12-month world-first trial to deploy battery electric trucks for heavy duty. Fleet operators can mass electrify their whole fleet with the help of Janus Electric's comprehensive A to Z solution and a supporting change and charge infrastructure, which will eventually meet their operating needs countrywide. Please get in contact if you are a fleet owner looking to lead the transition to green technologies. The Janus Electric concept is built around battery innovation. Green energy venture firms eager to invest in battery technology that slashes carbon emissions in the transportation sector are welcome to contact us. Using our innovative replace and charge battery system, traditional energy suppliers in the transportation sector can transition to new green energy sources. An amazing electric experience. The patented Janus electrification technology is what Janus wants dealership networks and mechanical workshops to actively self-convert from diesel combustion engines. Therefore, they're working hard to grow national suppliers with this capability. The transportation sector and power suppliers from all alternative sources, including solar, wind, and hydro, can collaborate through Janus Electric. There is continued potential for dealerships and service facilities to offer ongoing mechanical support, similar to the dealership networks for truck conversion. The technology that enables trucks to re-energize through a 3-minute battery swap was developed by Janus Electric, whose business model is built to take advantage of existing infrastructure for quicker take-up as the global transport energy shift picks up speed. Standard client trucks are converted to battery power by Janus, and to make use of renewable supplies, large-scale charging is finished during off-peak hours. Trucks use around 23% of the fuel used for road transport in Australia, which increases carbon emissions and disperses airborne diesel particles into the atmosphere. Following the company's initial meetings with U.S. partners, an immediate order for 10 automobiles was placed. Since then, a regional chief executive has been appointed to assist in creating a new independent U.S. rollout plan. Mr. Dooley asserted that potential growth in the U.S. depended on Janus's choice of models currently on the road for its demonstration models. Bevan Dooley and Lex Forsyth's company, Janus Electric, has received orders to convert 67 vehicles this year, filling all its Central Coast New South Wales workshop space. The company is negotiating with service stations on the major routes linking Melbourne, Sydney, and Brisbane to create a network of electric truck charging stations and convert existing articulated vehicles with a Dana 720 horsepower electric motor and interchangeable batteries. That's it for now. Thanks for watching, and if you like this informative video and want to keep up with technological developments, be sure to subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified. Until next time.